Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean your sofa cushions. First off, you want to make sure to vacuum them on a regular basis. I wouldn't say every time you vacuum, unless you have pets. If you have pets, you want to vacuum these things at least once a week. But, if not, I'd say 4 times a year is good. Just use the extended part of the the extension on the vacuum and vacuum it really well. Make sure to get between the cushions really well. If you really want to wash your sofa cushion well, then you have to remove it. And don't plan on sitting on it for possibly all day. It depends on what material it's made out of, because you're going to have to let them dry. Lay some towels out in your floor and set your sofa cushion on the towels or wherever. You could set it right here because the other cushion's going to get a little bit wet anyway. If there's just some little spots on it, use a laundry stain remover to spot clean it and wipe it with the rag. But if the whole cushion is really dingy, if you're like me and you made the mistake of buying off-white furniture that you use every day, you're going to need to scrub the entire cushion. So get some water in a bowl and add about 1/4 cup of laundry detergent. After you add the laundry detergent, stir it up, dip your rag in that solution, and use that to scrub your entire cushion. If it's got piping, you want to really pay extra attention to the piping detail. Flip it over. Scrub the other side. It's going to be a little bit damp, and that's when you want to set it on the towel and let it dry. If it's nice outside, set it outside, out of the sun, of course, and let it dry there. If you want to turn the fan on, that'll help. Whatever, but this is how you clean all of your couch cushions. If you want to flip them and rotate them in between cleanings, you can probably get a lot more mileage out of them before you have to clean them like this. I would say do this once a year at least, maybe twice a year at most. Not too often because they can harbor bacteria. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you clean your couch cushions.